Hello everyone. Today's recipe is ginger chutney. The spring is almost upon us and we all know it's flu season. And here is the no side effect home remedy with a delicious taste. It's ginger chutney. This will give a relief for sore throat and having more healthy benefits like helps in fight nausea, inflammation, and also aids in digestion. We'll start our cooking. Take 2 spoons of coriander powder into a frying pan and 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon of chana dal and around 50 grams of red chilli. Adjust the red chilli as per your spice ability. Roast them nicely and then add 2 spoons of oil. Roast them all together nicely. Add 50 grams of chopped ginger and roast them until the ginger leaves the raw flavor. Add 2 to 3 garlic cloves and roast them together. Once the contents are cooled down, transfer them to blender jar. Add 80 grams of jaggery powder and 2 spoons of tamarind paste and salt for taste. Together blend the contents by adding hot water. By adding the hot water, we can increase the shelf life of this chutney. You can serve the chutney as it is right away, or you can use a simple tadka of seasoning with mustard seeds, cumin seeds and few curry leaves, and then transferring the blend chutney into this. Just give it a nice stir. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and serve the dish. This chutney can be used with any breakfast like idli, dosa, set dosa, or even with steamed rice or bread or with rotis. Enjoy the recipe. Give it a try. Happy cooking. Namaste.